Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine.
Guys, we love our family room and kitchen area. I will be repainting the kitchen portion of this area shortly. I've decided on the color almond. So if you see some paint sample stripes on the wall, well, that's my indecisiveness. So I want to share with you some highlights of this space for fall. As you enter the kitchen, you will see the sign, the Gather sign above our laundry room door and pantry. And that was $13. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It comes in black, and of course I wanted it to be copper. And this is the perfect copper paint. I found it at Walmart. So if you're looking for a true copper color, this is it, and I'm so happy to have found it. I take full advantage of the fact that our cabinets do not extend all the way to the ceiling, and that's fine with me. So I decided to do some decorating up there once again. Flanked on opposite sides of the main centerpiece, you'll see some Dollar Tree plates, a Dollar Tree coffee cup, and you'll see these pumpkins and trees. The trees are from Home Goods from a couple of years ago. I love these trees. I love the color. That pumpkin was just painted as you saw, and that came from Hobby Lobby. It was gold, and now it's highlighted copper. Now everything on the cabinet ledges has been recycled with the exception of this container that I got from TJ Maxx just recently. They still have them, guys, if you're interested. I'm going to recycle this fall floral arrangement from a couple of years ago. We'll add our hot glue to the front 3 areas and then place in our foam. Press it down to make sure that it sticks. I love it. It looks nice and full and adds a pop of color to the top of the cabinet ledges. Well, that polish will soon dry on those cabinets. No worries. Now get ready for a disclaimer. We love our home, but we live in our home. I mean, we touch things. There are fingerprints and there might be some dust around. We live here, guys, so I'm not going to just say anything else. You know what I mean. Let's get on with this. Moving on into the cooking area, whatever flowers I had left over from the old arrangement I used in this area. One floral arrangement on the left, and I just added a little greenery to that one. And then the one on the right was just this small piece of greenery that I'd already purchased from Hobby Lobby earlier during the summer, and I inserted a few flowers into it. I will always love my white roosters. This one's from Hobby Lobby, and the wooden tray behind it is from Ross for like $4.99. My spoon rests, they are from Wayfair. If I find the link, I'm going to attach it in this video. And of course, the opposite side, just holding utensils here. And really, I was trying to cover up those outlets. I can't stand those things. The 2 white pictures are also from Ross. They were $4.99. The kitchen island is very simple, guys. Paper towels and, of course, this arrangement here. These are Dollar Tree pumpkins, and yes, those are real nuts. This is the area in between the refrigerator and the oven. My mixer's here and a Walmart copper basket filled with cookbooks in the middle. The lantern is there on the right. I just brought an accent of white on the counter. Yes, copper and white are my base colors for my decor in my kitchen. Marriage is about compromise. Well, this is my husband's favorite coffee pot. Enough said about that. Now, what's going to remain here is the bottle with all of the dried beans and corn. On the opposite side of the sink, we will have the candle. Now here's another quick fix. In the very center above the sink, we will switch out our Home Goods cyclist sculpture to our QVC rocking reindeer. These were purchased a couple of years ago. And finally on the counter, those Dollar Tree trays. We are all guilty of wanting to eat something in front of the TV. And these trays are perfect for keeping all of us from making a huge mess. So we finally get around to our breakfast area. The guys just finished the ribs. Look like they cleaned up pretty good, and I'm impressed. The succulent arrangement is a recycle. I just added some of the fall florals to it, and of course the pumpkin there and the fall tree. The tray is from TJ Maxx for $14.99. Now on this sofa table, I broke the rule about don't leave your clothes lying around. This is a wool wrap. I love it. And all I did was fold it in half lengthwise twice. With the choice of dark furniture and floors in this room, yeah, I needed that pop of color. The large wooden pumpkins are from Home Goods, $12.99 and $13.99. This golden branch bowl is from Hobby Lobby. I purchased it during their Christmas clearance for $9 last year. It doesn't need any help. It's pretty all by itself. I know the rug that I want for these areas, but I haven't found it. Now, when I started to unpack my items for fall, I put everything possible on the mantle just to see how it connected. Then, of course, I downsized quite a bit to this. I basically did a 3-3-3 vignette, the gourd, the vase, the pumpkin, and in the middle, I did the picture frames and a pumpkin. And then on the very end, the 3 candlestick holders with 2 matching pumpkins and 1 different in the middle. The mirror is a DIY, and I will be sure to link that in the information box of this video. Now, this tray style coffee table is definitely on the list of items to be upcycled. On top of it are some DIY spheres and an eyeglass sculpture. There's a DIY for that as well. I cannot tell you the sounds that my guys are making. They want me to get out of this room. Yeah. So on the bookcase underneath the TV, I took that lantern, turned it on its side, filled it with some of those Dollar Tree pebbles and succulents, and now I have a beautiful terrarium. I think that's really pretty. So here's a quick scan of that space. No time to adjust the lighting, but I think it turned out really well, and I've got some really cool fall accents, guys. I love it. It's simple, it's low budget, and I hope that you enjoyed visiting with us in our family room. And this is what's happening right now. I think they've fallen asleep. I don't think they're watching the game at all. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll consider doing so today. And remember to turn on your notifications. That's clicking that little bell that pops up. So please turn that on so you don't miss a single video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and hopefully they can all get some inspiration from the home that we live in. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, say a prayer and stay creative.